Hey there. Today we've made a stew. It's a potato and fennel stew, kind of a Greek Indian hybrid. It's really delicious, should serve about 5 or 6 people, and it's fully vegan, lots of vegetables, lots of flavor. So we'll take you through how we did it. So we've laid out all our ingredients ahead of time, which makes it really fun to cook. Vegetables, a bag of baby red potatoes, the fennel, onion, organic green beans, the olives, tomatoes, and broth, and our herbs and spices. So go ahead and dice the onion and garlic first and set that aside. That'll be the first thing to go in. The green beans, we just chop off the ends and then go ahead and chop all those green beans into bite-sized pieces. Same with zucchini, chop those into bite-sized pieces and set those aside. The fennel needs to be chopped pretty finely, and you can set those separately. And then we like to submerge the potatoes in some water for a while to get them nice and clean. We like to save the water for the vegetable garden, being good there. And then chop the baby potatoes in halves or quarters if they're big. Can put them together with the zucchini, and your vegetables are prepped. The Kalamata olives are really important. Chop those in half. Juice half a lemon. And go ahead and prepare some parsley, which will be for the garnish. Okay, so now we're ready to cook. We heat about a cup of vegetable broth, and that's really important. We don't use any dairy or butter or oil, anything like that. And then get all the vegetables in one at a time. Once those are cooked for about 5 minutes, go ahead and add the oregano. You want to put some salt in at this point and kind of keep stirring and cook for another 5 minutes. Add the tomatoes and stir that up. Use the rest of the vegetable broth and bring that to a boil. And at that point, you can cover and cook for a little while longer. You want the potatoes to start getting soft. Keep stirring. And then we are ready to add flavor. So a tablespoon of maple syrup, the lemon juice, and stir that up. And then this is the key. We use garam masala, a teaspoon of that. It's a really distinct, unique flavor. If it's too strong for you, you can just use cumin. Adding the olives, which are critical. And if you want, you can serve this over rice or without rice. And that's it. So enjoy.